Hello, today is Tuesday, October 20th, and this is a Sphinx Forex review for today. House cleaning, keeping, whatever. Coming down with a cold, so get through this. Okay, the blog.sphinxforex.com. My Twitter updates, most recent Twitter update will be in this corner here. First link will be the link to the video on YouTube. And then also, if you're interested in purchasing the program, click this link and it'll bring you to the listings on eBay. You can sign up on Twitter, twitter.com/Sphinx Forex, and you can sign up to be notified by text every time I either post a video or a message. And let's get to the charts. Alright, what the hell happened here? Alright, I was just looking at that, so I don't know why I was there. Let's go ahead and look at the 15 minutes. European session came on. It could have been long already, but I think the MACD was a little, well, it wasn't extended, so you actually could have got a trade. Your stop would have been 1 pip below here, so you'd have made your money. At least you should have been at least break even on this candle. You should have not taken a loss after being up. What is that? That's 70 pips, 65 pips. So from right here to here, so you should have made your money on this trade. Nothing else happened after that. Okay, we came down to the short side. The MACD, by the time the MACD came across to the low side, the candle never did breach the top EMA, so it didn't trigger a trade. This is also about the time when I posted to be cautious because the dollar was strengthening off of oil and gold coming down. But I did say be careful because overall the dollar was weak. So again, you never did really get a trade set up because you didn't breach. You could actually be short here, but again, I would not have been taking shorts after a reversal like this, knowing that the dollar is pretty weak right now. It would have turned out to be a very nice trade if you're more on the risky side. I try to be a little bit more conservative, so you could have actually gone short on this candle here, making a new low, 1 pip below there, and that was a really nice trade. But again, I'm a little hesitant to buy the dollar right now. Let's look at it at 60-minute just for the heck of it. You see up. Yeah, 60 minutes not really giving us too much except for right here. Again, I certainly would not be selling a dollar on an hourly or 4-hour chart because we know who's in charge, the bulls. So I'd have waited for a good long, and you got it. MACD came over to the long side. You waited for a new high to be made, which was off this candle. 1 pip below would have been the stop. It was tested on this candle if it would have brought you in. If it didn't bring you in, you would have been just fine, because this candle would have, and then it never came nowhere near the stop again, and then blasted up. So you'd have had a nice trade on the hourly on the euro. And right now the bias is short, but again, I'm not buying dollar on high time frames right now. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the pound. European session came on. You never did really get a trade. Came to the short side, no way. Came long. This candle here made a new high off of this. 1 pip below here is your stop. Kind of close to it was close to being compromised on here, but you look like you were okay. You had a few pips, maybe about 10-15, and then bang, you had a big blast. So not a bad trade. It was a little herky-jerky up in this area, and then you had a nice big bull move. Now you got the reversal. No way I'm going to sell, and I'd be waiting for a long to set up right now. Okay, let's go and look at an hourly on here. Let's see, we had all of these trades. These a few days ago, the 15th of October, 14th of October. So, you know, we had trades setting up on the longs from here. Definitely right there off of a new high here. Bang, nice move. MACD's extended. I would not have taken it again. Let it reset. Okay, here we go. We reset here. Made a new high off of this candle. 1 pip below there is your stop. and bang, nice trade, made your money again. So the hourlies are looking pretty good right now for those of you who can't trade shorter time frames on the 15. And let's just look at the euro yen, and we'll check gold on the Australian and wrap it up there. Euro yen, yeah, pound dollar. Thought the price looked funny. Euro yen. Ooh, that don't look good. All right. We could have went short on the new low from here, 1 pip below there. So this candle here would have brought us in. Stop would have been 1 pip above this wick on this candle. Nice trade to the short side. The bias totally turned around. The bulls took control of the currency. You never did have a long setup. MACD came across to the low side, so the short never did materialize. When we came back to the long side, a new high was never made. MACD exhausted. Now it looks like I'd have a feeling that the bears are going to be in charge of this currency, because it looks like the bias is going to come back down, and we're probably going to come test this pivot point down here. So I'd be looking for a setup on the euro yen right now on the shorter time frames. Let's look at an hourly. Bias is long. MACD to the long side, made a new high on this candle, 1 pip above there. This brought us in. 1 pip below here is a stop. Bang, huge move, nice trade. MACD was extended, let it reset, and really nothing materialized off of here. And it looks like we're going to the bias is going to the short side as well. So I'd be looking to sell the euro yen currency on the short and longer time frames. Okay. Gold. This is the U.S. session, and I said gold and oil was coming down. And here we can see the Australian tanking. This just proves that gold took a ride down today. Looks like it's probably rebounding right now, but for the most part it took a huge dive down along with oil today. So that's why the Australian. So that was another sign of buying dollar in the short term. But as we can see, let's just look at an hourly. You can see who's in charge of this currency, the bulls. Anyway, well, that's it for today, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.